Welcome back to Good Father House Design, where we explore beautiful homes, timeless architecture, and inspiring living spaces from around the world. Today we're taking a tour of a charming Spanish-style home, a design known for its warm colors, elegant arches, and a relaxing Mediterranean atmosphere. Let's explore the beauty of this house and see how every space brings comfort and character together. From the front view, the house instantly captures attention with its classic Spanish architecture. The terracotta roof tiles, smooth stucco walls, and elegant arch details create a timeless and welcoming appearance. Surrounded by greenery and colorful flowers, the entrance pathway leads to a home that feels warm, inviting, and full of character. As we step inside, we arrive at the living room, a space designed for comfort and relaxation. Large arched windows allow sunlight to gently fill the room, creating a bright and cozy atmosphere. Soft furniture, wooden beams, and warm natural tones give the space a classic Mediterranean charm while still feeling modern and comfortable. Next, we move into the bedroom, a peaceful sanctuary designed for rest. The room feels calm and elegant, with soft lighting and large windows framing beautiful outdoor views. The combination of warm textures, natural materials, and simple decor creates a relaxing environment that feels perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. Now we enter the kitchen, where traditional design meets modern functionality. Wooden cabinets, stone countertops, and warm lighting create a welcoming space for cooking and gathering. The kitchen feels open and inviting, reflecting the heart of the home where daily life and shared moments naturally come together. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining room, a place where family and friends gather to enjoy meals and conversation. The dining space is bright and elegant, with beautiful windows and warm architectural details that enhance the Mediterranean atmosphere. Every meal here feels relaxed and enjoyable. Moving forward, we explore the bathroom, designed to provide a calm and refreshing experience. Soft colors, clean lines, and natural textures create a peaceful environment. The space feels simple yet elegant, bringing together practicality and a touch of luxury. Next, we step into the laundry room, a functional area thoughtfully designed for everyday tasks. Organized storage, practical layout, and bright lighting make the space efficient and comfortable to use. Even in this working area, the warm style of the house remains consistent. Finally, we step outside into the backyard, where the Spanish lifestyle truly comes to life. The outdoor space features lush gardens, relaxing seating areas, and beautiful landscaping that creates a peaceful retreat. It's the perfect place to enjoy fresh air, quiet afternoons, or gatherings with family and friends. Thank you for watching Good Father House Design. If you enjoy discovering beautiful homes and inspiring architecture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next house tour. See you in the next inspiring home design.